Members of the CLP community may create either an NPS account or a public account. In the event that you need to downgrade your account type, meaning you're switching from an NPS account to a public account, start by logging in to the CLP with your PIV card. Go to your profile settings, and navigate to the General Settings page. By default, your NPS account will be associated with your nps.gov email address. To change your NPS account to a public account, modify the email address associated with your account from your nps.gov email to an email from another domain, like Gmail or Yahoo, for example. You must accept the prompt that notifies you that you will no longer be able to access NPS-only information on the CLP. If you have not already done so, you must set a CLP password. You will be notified if this step is necessary. The next time you log into the CLP, you will use your new email address and password. If you need to upgrade your account from a public account to an NPS account, the steps to do so will be familiar. The CLP will remember your old nps.gov email address, and to upgrade your account, simply log in with your PIV card. Your email address will be updated to your nps.gov email address, and you'll see a change in your account type from public to NPS. Your ability to access NPS-only information will now be restored. Please be aware that only CLP community members who have logged in with a PIV card at least one time in the past will be able to upgrade their account. If you've never logged in with a PIV card before, or you experience any other technical difficulties, please email the CLP team at clp@nps.gov.